Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I got this cute fun cut crease. So if you guys are interested, please stick around and watch.
Everything you want that you can have. Number one regret, no takebacks. The hole in your chest, that's payback. Payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me selfish and critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn ya. This might hurt, but that's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. Go and play the part, play the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons. Blaming everybody and you're screaming. But I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's selfish and critical, you could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn you, this might hurt. That's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. That's just karma. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues
Alright guys, so
marching,
this is the
it
finished look.
slowly crawls. With each new one starting,
you know, as usual, I think it turned out great, but you guys can let me know what you think down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, to share, to comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for when I create new looks and post new videos. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.